Alora A-Fax is a fully integrated electronic faxing solution that enables you to send and receive faxes from within Alora home health software with a single click. Extraordinarily convenient and fully HIPAA compliant, Alora's electronic faxing solution is intended to help your agency increase productivity and save money. When you need to fax any document, such as a 485, order, face-to-face encounter form, OASIS, or other plan of care documents, simply select the option Send as Fax. Alora A-Fax automatically opens a fax screen with the physician's fax number already pre-populated, and of course you have the option to change the fax number if you need to. A-Fax's built-in confirmation log shows you a color-coded list of all the faxes sent by your agency staff, along with the status, success, pending, or failed. And the fax confirmation log offers you various filter and sort options based on your preferences. Save time. A fax can be sent within 3 seconds. Compare that to the 5 to 10 minutes it takes with traditional faxing, which includes printing, preparing a cover sheet, walking to the machine, punching in numbers, and waiting and waiting. It all adds up. Save money on resources such as paper and toner, in addition to saving money through maximizing employee time, leading to higher productivity. Fax from anywhere at any time. You no longer need to be at the main office in order to send or receive a fax. A-Fax sends and receives faxes securely over the internet, so you can fax from wherever you are and whenever you want to. According to Gallup research, it takes an average of 23 minutes for an employee to resume work after getting up to perform tasks that are interruptions to their workflow, like faxing. Better quality. The electronic fax image sent by A-Fax is of higher quality than traditional fax because A-Fax requires no paper scanning. No busy signals. You will never get a busy signal. If the destination fax machine is busy, A-Fax automatically resends the fax multiple times while you have moved on to other work. No waiting, no worries. The status can be checked at any time in the confirmation log. With A-Fax, you have a permanent history of all the faxes sent by the various employees and the confirmation in one centralized place. A-Fax is an optional feature within Alora home health software that will immediately make a positive impact on your staff productivity. Give us a call today at 1-800-954-8250 or email us at sales@alorahealth.com to put Alora A-Fax to work in your agency.